I'm so excited to open this box from Mammamia. They make Italian garden edibles. Had some of them in the past. They were delicious. I love a good garden edible. I really don't buy them that often. It'd be really good for me to like them. Cuties. Oh, cute. They're giving a 20% discount. It's Chow 20. Adorable. Oh my goodness. I'm definitely about to have one. Oh, they're just so cute. I don't even know where to start. Kiwi Bellini. This is a sativa. Is that what I want right now? Chamomile bitter. I don't want to be sleepy right now. So this is indica and CBN. It literally says good night. This says good morning. Fast acting hash, real fruit. Kiwi for the start of the day, chamomile for the second half. I love that. And then this is orange spritz, the hybrid. Buonasera. Good evening. This is the call. Good morning, good evening, good night. Infused communion wafers. What the fuck? This gold tin here. Look at this. This is the kinkiest shit ever. This is ridiculous.